and a wonderful welcome back on the Fishing Brigade. As you see in the background, in a different spot in the nature of Scotland, exactly to say in the Highlands. And today, as I said so often already, that the Fishing Brigade is also going to show some camping gear and equipment as well. I would like to present you our tiny home for tonight. It is a one-man backpack tent from Pro Action, very handy. As you see, half size of a sleeping bag, and very easy as well to build it up. And yeah, saves you a lot of space to put other stuff in your backpack if you're hiking or whatsoever. So, gonna show you in a moment how quickly it goes, and get your feedback. What do you think about it? There you go. One aluminium bar in the back, put it in, snap it, snap the second on it, push it in, alright, half construction is standing already. This one same way like that, just it snaps together, super handy, super easy to build. Same game over here. We start in this corner here in the front. Tuck here. Second over here, and then you just go ahead. Then you have those clickers here. Put it in and adjust them like by sliding it up. And voila! Tent stands. Inner side obviously. Get the, we call them in German, die Heringe. The herrings. Out. Push them in. And we double-laid it with here, this one now. Was actually the way I should have done it from the beginning on, so it doesn't fall down. Same game over here. I think it's off camera, you cannot see this, no, of course not. Yeah, you see, ground construction is ready, is there. It's just, you cannot see it, but this midget is already eating me alive. There we go, second skin over. Looks good now. Goes even easier because we have those super fast click-in system for them. So just voila and done. See here. Let's see how easy it goes. Just pull it over here and back. And here you have those snap systems on all sides, in the back, in the front, everywhere. You can adjust it, put pressure on. Here's another one over here. Yeah. Oh, this midgets, they are really a bad thing there. And last but not least, here in the front. You see that here? There we go. Alright, and here is our end product. I mean, okay, it could be cosmetically a little bit finer. I could have stretching it up a little bit more. As you see, it's a bit loose over here as well, but yes, it's just a matter of fact. Took me about less than 5 minutes to put it up. It's really spacious inside. I'm not gonna show it now because if not, the midgets are gonna kill me because there are like thousands of them already here around. So I have to keep it closed as much as possible. And yeah, this is it. I will say, I hope, as so often, you enjoyed this episode. If so, thumbs it up and leave a comment down below. First view in a camping site where we are gonna stay tonight. Here is Andy on this side, my colleague who is with me. And yes, so hope you enjoyed. And I will say we'll see us in the next one. Rainy Ranson here with the first camping one-man backpack tent. And I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but I just sit down and like thousands of these maggots are coming again. Yeah! See you soon. Thank you for watching.